How to sell scrap gold for profits a Wall Street trader would dream of. For those wanting to know how to sell scrap gold, they need not look further than the latest offering from Absolute Wealth. Their training program, the Gold Profit Formula, is guiding people on the path to generous income with countless pieces of jewelry trade wisdom. As long as the right information is gathered, it's a more promising money-making method than trading gold in the stock market. That's not to say knowledge of the markets is useless in gold dealing. According to this press release, the need for such information is valuable to determine the current gold price situation. Investing knowledge is an important part of any business dealing with gold. Jewelers and precious metals dealers all wonder about the best time to sell inventory. Knowing when gold hits a certain market value has its advantages, said the release. That led to Manhattan Gold and Silver's latest tool of the trade, a Gold Prices app for real-time market updates. The creation of such tools is a result of the rising popularity surrounding gold dealing. The Gold Profit Formula takes the opportunity of income generation and makes it a reality with expert strategies. It also focuses on uncommon ways to find people to conduct business with. While Americans struggle to make ends meet in a damaged economy, many are turning to alternative sources of cash flow. Collecting their unwanted and unused gold, even if it's damaged or tarnished, can produce a satisfying chunk of change, but not everyone wants to haggle with pawn shop owners. That's where the Gold Profit Formula comes in. It shows how to buy scrap gold and silver and turn it for a profit from precious metal refiners that are paying record high dividends. When customers know they are dealing with a kind, educated, ethical business person, they'll come back again and again. That's what Gold Profit Formula encourages, a fair and balanced customer relationship. Besides that, it also encourages seizing every opportunity that presents itself and looking in uncommon places for sources of business. Churchgoers often donate jewelry to their place of worship, and the church rarely knows what to do with it. Estate sales can contain massive amounts of gold and precious metals. Even dentists collect their used fillings to sell. Gold business can be found just about everywhere. Gold Profit Formula will show people how to test the value of precious metals, how to use tools to weigh and examine jewelry, and how they can benefit from the gold buying business. Once people know how to sell scrap gold and realize the profit potential hidden within, they'll never look at a ring or necklace the same. To find out more about the Gold Profit Formula, please go to www.absolutewealth.com/free-report/gold3.